Tuesday, July 11th. Trade recap. I'm just gonna get straight into it. You feel me? So let's just get to it. Let me log into this real quick. You know, y'all ain't seeing that shit. Y'all don't know what it is, bitch. All right. Let's just go. Oh, she's crazy. She's crazy. All right, real quick. Let me get something going. I'm hungry as hell, man. So I traded this morning when I was going to the dentist. I'll explain in a second why. Because I could have prevented trading at the dentist. Not at the dentist, but driving to the dentist, but it's alright. So, first, she's so crazy over there. She's so crazy, yeah. Alright, coming into New York Open, we got, hold on a second. Coming into New York Open, we got a SMT at the highs. So I was thinking at that point, potential for us to start moving lower, take out CPI data low, and some London relative lows overnight on the ES since we did not take the high. So then I see after this SMT on the 3-minute and on the 5-minute, we get a fair value gap right there on the 3-minute, and right there on the 5-minute, we get a 2 fair value gap sequence. After a liquidity sweep, which is the SMT, which is this liquidity, sweep that liquidity for value gap. That was my first short on paper and on this right there. And then I entered more. Price came back to my break even. So I was like, all right, price is going to be lagging around a little bit. So then I went to the 1-minute and I waited for this internal SMT right there. Bam, bam, bam. And so SMT take the high. So then we get right here on NASDAQ, we see basically this. And as soon as I see that on the 1-minute, I'm like, fuck the 1-minute. We'll go to the 30-second because there's no 2 fair value gap setup. Right here, we have 1 fair value gap. Then we have another fair value gap. And that basically, that was our entry. I kind of predicted that fair value gap because I was in the car, bro. So I predicted that fair value gap entry with SMT. Straight sell to downside, bottom ticked it, literally right there, bottom ticked that bitch. And then yeah, price hit our take profit. We had our first $200 day, took 2 off there, 1 off there, and yeah, that was the trade. So basically, it looked like this, something like that. So yeah, really clean trade on me yesterday. 30-second chart, not making that same. Not mistake, but I'm watching that 30-second and 15-second to see if we want to basically, because it's high resistance. If we have this SMT and we're bearish towards these relative equal lows, I'm gonna sell that bitch straight up there on the 30-second, and then yeah. So easy peasy lemon squeezy day, first $200 day. I just locked myself out for the day because I'm not. I'm gonna start taking advantage of that shit. But yeah, no, we're back to basically $1,000 drawdown. So I have to get 5 trades at $200 in order to start risking $250. So I kept my risk to $150 today. Today was $120 something risk. So I could have risked extra $50, but it's all right. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, hype day, easy, nothing too crazy. So $400 day across those 2 accounts total. So yeah, very easy and clean trade. So yeah, and then it hit final TV right there. And the reason I entered again right here is to hit $100 because it was $100, and then this micro I had one more gave me 95. So I added one more stop loss. I could afford it. It was right there somewhere. So I just wanted that extra $5 to get that $200 day. So yeah. That was it. Y'all boys stay safe and great trade today.